thunderstorms again. I don't know. Well, hey guys, I forgot to say that too. Hey, because it's about to rain anytime because it's sprinkling. If you guys don't recognize this place if you guys don't know this place at Godfrey, if you guys never heard of it, if you guys live in Godfrey, comment. If you guys live in Alton, comment. If you guys live in St. Louis, comment. Or anywhere else, comment. Right now, I don't know St. Louis news. Don't say anything. It goes right here. And there's one right here. It's getting windy. Oh, I'm under the tree. I know I was. I was stepping back a little bit. So, I don't know when tornado siren will go off because I thought it all says National Weather Service. But if it's windy, you guys can't barely hear it back here. I know it's dark in Jerseyville right now because I saw a car. It's over there. Let me go right here so you guys can see it much better. Yeah, highway over there. Because I think I went past Jerseyville. Well, I need to get protected myself because it starts raining. As if you want me to take a video of it, so I guess we might be leaving soon. But storms. It says heavy thunderstorms. You guys can barely hear thunder. Just wait if you hear it. Because of the wind. Any minute now. What's going on? Why don't you have thunder? Wait if you hear it. My guess. Guys, that's a clouds we never liked in our lives. Because I live behind me right now, because that's where I live. I'm in this yard. See? I'm walking in this. I got a neighbor house right two beside me. They're my neighbors. Have you guys never seen them around before? There it goes. You can hear thunder now. That's how bad it is from here. More than Alton. It's windy right now. Guys is here for no reason then. What's the reason taking this video then? Failed tornado siren for heavy thunderstorms and gusty winds and small hail are possible. I mean, I made it. Dang! Guys, I think I should stop the video before it gets worse. Failed tornado siren here. Let's see if we can hear it from Alton. Or only West Alton. After across the bridge. It's like after Alton Bridge, you can see siren fired by Gas Mart and stuff. So, if you guys see the video I took back in May, like a month ago, if you guys never seen that, that's right. I should fix that. Well, it failed, guys. It failed tornado siren to go off because I had no time right now. Because it's right in front of me. Alright, tornado siren ain't worth it. No, guess it won't go on, guys. So, I guess I'll see if I get over all this stuff. So, if we heard siren right by Gas Mart, and I'll take a video of it. I hope I don't miss it. My phone won't even go off because they test it every first Tuesday at 10 a.m. like in a month. Like I always missed it. Well, that's here, I guess. Yep. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Okay. Let's go. Bye.